That's okay. Now look at what we are reading. We are reading, if you can see, we are reading 12.8 to 30 ohms resistance. Okay, let's check the next one. Now it's on open loop. Now let's move to the next terminal. The next check to see if there's any blockage around the injector nozzles before I can confirm and say this injector nozzle is not part of the issue we are experiencing. Now the injector nozzles are out, so I'll be pulling them out and see if there is any sort of clogged filter. Now the injectors are out. This is injector 2, injector 4, and injector 6 respectively. Some people might